Okay, so how do we align and distribute items inside of Illustrator? Well, check this out. You go to Window, you click Align, and make sure you click this little button and say Show Options. That's really important. Now, when you select an item and you go Align To, and you say Align to Artboard, and you click Align to Left, Align to Right, see, things are going to be aligning left and right. You can go for top, you can go for bottom. Fantastic. Undo, undo, undo. If you select a bunch of items and you say align left or align right, it aligns them all to the left, right, top, bottom of the artboard. So let's go undo. The next thing is this distribute objects little section. So you can distribute objects from the top or from the middle or from the bottom. Not a big difference, but hey, sometimes you might want to vary it up a little bit. The same thing for this horizontal distribution. Pretty cool. So undo, 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 undo. There we go. The next thing I want to show you is this one, which is the align to selection. If you align to the left, it aligns to the leftmost point in the selection. If you align to the right, it aligns to the rightmost point in the selection. Same with top, bottom, and if you go for middle, it aligns everything to the middle. Fantastic. The next thing is this distribute objects. So you can distribute objects vertically from top, middle, bottom. Fantastic. The same thing for horizontal distribution. But where this gets super powerful is when you start using something called key objects. So if we go align to key objects, you'll see that one of the objects gets this extra border around it. What this means is that when you click these align buttons, it aligns to it, the key object. So if we go align to right now, it's going to align to the key object. It's really powerful. Where this is even more powerful is this distribute spacing. So if we want to say vertically distribute the space between the objects, it's going to go from this key object. So if we change this from 200 to 100 pixels and then press this one, there's 100 pixels between each of these objects. That's really powerful. 200, exactly the same thing from the key object. So if we had to undo that, and I'm just going to click on this object, so it becomes my key object, and then press this button again, it goes from that object, 200 pixels between each element. Fantastic. And that's pretty much all you need to know about aligning and distributing inside of Illustrator. So, just to recap, you can find it here, Window and Align, and then make sure that you're not hiding the options, you're actually showing the options, and then remember what you're aligning to. Are you aligning to the selection, key object, or to the artboard?